people that are all coming together, and you just try to separate the wounded, and then you try to start as fast as possible. You touch down, you run out of the helicopter, you take your gear, you put them in a silent report, and you start treating people. There was one person who had a trauma because the roof of his house collapsed during the hurricane, and it came down in his neck. And the second, more severe case was a person who, after the hurricane, getting out of the house, cut his foot. Actually, is on the levels of his Achilles tendon, and was really deeply infected. These are the persons that really, if they wouldn't get the decent care, starting with what we did already, but in a few days, this person could lose his foot.
Donc ça, 4 fois par jour, 7 jours. Okay. Ça, c'est l'antibiotique. Et pour la douleur, 4 fois par jour. Okay.
4 fois par jour.
Pour la douleur. Ça, c'est l'antibiotique. Très, très, très important. Okay. Ça va? Bonne chance.
We are now already almost 10 days after the hurricane, or a little bit more even, and we still see all those wounds that were inflicted by the hurricane. So that means most of the wounds here are 10 days or more old. So we try to do what we can with the material that we have and the medication that we have.